Men Sulaymonova Iroda 1975-yil 25-fevralda tug'ilganman.
Shu Sulaymonova Irodaxonni turmush o'rtog'iman. Shu turmush o'rtog'im 2016-yildan beri shu jigar sirrozi kasali bilan og'rirdi. Shuncha bir 9 yil mobaynida davolatdik. Lekin unaqangi bir samara bermadi. Oxiri suv yig'ilish hisobida juda nafas olish qiyinlashib, umuman bir joyga o'rnashmaydigan og'ir holatga kelib qoldi va nihoyat oxiri mana Hindistonga kelib, doktorlarga murojaat qilib,
then she came to us and we evaluated her. We found out that she was in her third stage of liver failure, which we in medical terms called as child C cirrhosis. And the only treatment option in this stage is liver transplant. Her sister was evaluated as the potential donor and found fit to donate part of the liver.
Uni ham yaxshi bo'lib ketdi, oilasi bilan birga hozir, bolalari bilan.
And whenever we do these evaluation, we look at what is the quality of the liver, size of the liver, whether we can split the liver safely or not. And liver has immense regenerative power. It regenerates back to full size in the donor's body as well as in the patient's body. So this helps us in taking a part of the liver and implanting in the patient's body.
Mana hozir rosa 1 oy bo'ldi, 25-fevralga 23-bo'lsa 24-chi. Holatim yaxshi, operatsiyalardan chiqdik. Bunaqa ishga suvlar, nimalar yo'q. Doktorga rahmat aytamiz. Doktor Abi.
After the transplant, both donor and recipient recovered really well. The donor was discharged 6 days after the transplant, and recipient was discharged 17 days after the transplant.